To look after yourself at work, it's important to focus on sitting correctly. This workstation assessment will take you through how to set up your desk. Firstly, make sure you set up your chair properly. This will help to minimize the possibility of back strain in the future. And if you need to, you can use a lower back support. Sit up straight with your eyes level with the top of your monitor, and your feet should be resting on the floor. If it feels necessary, use a footrest. Ideally, your monitor should be an arm's length away. With your keyboard directly in front of you, ensure there's a gap of between 10 and 15 centimeters on the desk for you to rest your wrists. Position your mouse as close as possible on a mouse mat with a wrist pad if it feels more comfortable. Try to ensure your monitor is free from glare by setting its position and using blinds if possible. Bifocal spectacles may lead you to raise and lower your head to try to see clearly. If this is the case, you may need to change your spectacle type. Make sure your routinely used objects like staplers and telephones are all within easy reach. So you shouldn't have to twist or lean across the desk. And finally, try to take frequent short breaks. Simply changing your posture will help you to stay comfortable and avoid muscle or eye strain.